And let's compare your performance to competitors using QuickHub's competitor benchmarking. From the QuickHub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews, open Metrics, then select Competitor Benchmarking. Next, use the Competitor Benchmarking filter to choose a time frame. Your options are all, monthly, 6 months, and yearly. Start with all to get the full picture and review the comparison across key metrics. Then, change the business you're comparing against. Open the filter again, select all, and see how the comparison shifts. Repeat the process once more. Switch to another competitor, set the filter to all, and review the results. This helps you spot your strengths, identify gaps, and uncover opportunities across multiple competitors. And that's it. With QuickHub's competitor benchmarking and time frame filters, you'll always know where you lead, where you lag, and where to focus efforts next.